Racing just is started. We are out of time. Break quick. Let us start to witness in Manila in the middle. Force speed is down on the inside. Glass cockpit. Moscovado comes next. Tremendous Zitan. Then next online is Stormtrooper and Mapagkumbaba. And as they swing down the back, we have force speed. By our length and a half. Witness in Manila in second. Glass cockpit is racing in third. Alongside Port comes out of time. Then next online is Tremendous Ethan. Alongside comes Stormtrooper, Moscovado, and Mapagkumbaba. Inside the tres octavo, we have force feed by our length and a half. Witness in Manila is still in second. Down in third is out of time. Glass cockpit comes next. Mapagkumbaba, Tremendous Ethan, Stormtrooper in the middle, while Moscovado now racing in left. And they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Witness in Manila. By our length and as they swing for home, we have Witness in Manila. This time by about 3 lengths. Force speed in second with about 100 meters more to run. We have Witness in Manila, followed by Force speed in second. And finally it's Witness in Manila. Force feed, Tremendous Ethan, then comes Glass Cockpit, Stormtrooper.
5, 2, 1, 3.